Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to enable microphone on iPhone. So if you are using any application on your iPhone, maybe WhatsApp, Facebook, or any application that needs microphone, and you try to make a voice call, then you should see to place a call on this particular application, you need to enable microphone on your iPhone. Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to enable microphone on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on privacy and security. Now, once you selected that, on the privacy and security page, you want to scroll down until you get to microphone. Then click on that. Here, you're going to see all the applications that want to use microphone on your iPhone. Then go ahead and turn on all this. So turn on the microphone for all this application. For Chrome, turn on microphone. For Gmail, turn on microphone. Google, Instagram, turn on microphone. Snapchat, Telegram, TikTok, turn on microphone. Timestamp, WhatsApp, and YouTube. Just make sure you turn on this button to enable microphone on this application. And once that is enabled, if you go ahead and open any of this application that needed microphones to work, click on it like this, then you should see that you no longer see the warning that says you need to turn on microphone on your iPhone. So that is basically how to enable microphone on iPhone. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.